everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be revealing this makeup look that I have achieved. If you're interested, stick till the very end because I'm going to be disclosing all the products that I've used on the face. And also in the description below, I have mentioned the links where you can purchase this product from. So let's begin with the makeup. So say hi, Neo, to all my viewers. They want to say hi to you back. My spoiled son. To begin with my makeup, I'm actually first gonna use a primer. As I want to achieve a natural look, I want my open pores to actually diminish or else just mattify a little bit. So the primer that I'm going to be using is NYX Honeydew Me Up, and it's a primer and a base. Excellent, and NYX company actually offers really good shades as well as products for the skin of color. So I'm a huge fan of NYX company. I mean, there are different companies out there, but NYX is something that's affordable, and they have iron oxides instead of talc into their formulation, which is excellent for skin of color because it acts as a UV filter. Before you start your makeup, you need to make sure that your skin is properly moisturized. As I have applied this primer, I'm gonna spread it all over my face. Also make sure that you apply it on your eyelids. This helps the eye makeup to stay for a longer duration of time. Once you have applied a thin layer of primer all over your face, let it sit on your skin for a good 1 to 2 minutes. So the next product that I'm going to be using is the NYX again, and it's a Bear With Me Concealer Serum. It's just a wonderful product. Trust me when I say it. The shade I am using here is 08 Sand. It is so good that you just need like 2 pumps, and that is it for all over your face. I usually concentrate more on the under eye area. I'm just going to use my ring finger and then apply it on the under eye area. I also like to apply it on my eyelids, and this just, gives that nice evened out look to my whole face. You see the difference? This is my right side and this is my left side. You see a clear difference. This seems more darker, under eye area seems more darker, but on this side it seems like evened out. To get that nice natural look, you need to dab it. You need to blend it to your skin. That's the key to achieve natural looking skin. This 08 Sand shade is very close to my skin tone. It doesn't seem like I'm applying any concealer, so that's why I love it. I am absolute big fan of it. I also like MAC Studio Finish with SPF 32, and it's also an excellent product. But for me, my current favorite has been NYX. NYX is just outstanding. For my skin tone, for my complexion, they have come up with excellent concealer that is serum based and glides so well on my skin. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender. You can take any shape, any size. It just helps to blend out all the product. What I did was I put my beauty blender in the water and then squeezed out the excess water. Now it's a damp beauty blender. This just helps to spread the whole product on my face, and this just looks very natural. When you damp your beauty blender and then start blending the concealer on your face, it spreads it so well that your skin starts to look natural. It doesn't seem like you are applying layers of makeup. It makes your skin look nice and dewy, and at the end it is also a damp beauty blender, so it has water content in it that can help your skin moisturize as well. Now that I have applied my concealer, this is like the concealer finished look. You see that it looks so natural. It doesn't seem like I'm wearing layers of makeup. This is what I want to achieve. The next product is again from NYX. I love this product. This is the NYX Pro Fix stick, and it is also a concealer and correcting stick. but I use it as a contour stick. I love this stick as it is very thin, it's accurate, and you can, go through the minute places like drawing proper line to shape your nose. It can also give that hollow effect by just, drawing a thin line and then blending it out. It gives like your eyes are popped open. So I just use it on my nose because I like to shape my nose. I have very broad nose. So yeah, I'm gonna use for that, and also to contour my forehead as well as my cheek area, and then sharpening my jawline. This is how I contour my face. You see, it's like proper lines and nicely structuring my face. I like to emphasize my, cheek area. With the help of the same beauty blender that is damp, I'm gonna blend out these sharp lines. I'm gonna start with my nose area first. I'm gonna nicely blend out the sharp line to give a nice structure to my nose. After I blended the sharp lines of my contour, you can see that it gives a nice shadowed effect to my face. This gives a nice sharpening effect to bring out and emphasize my features that are present on my face, which is naturally there, but I'm just making it much more prominent and expressing myself in an artistic way. All right, so the next step is to fix everything that I just did. That is gonna be using the fixing powder. This is from Art Deco. So it's like a really good formulation. I've been using it for quite some time. Ooh, can you see it? This is the powder that I'm gonna use. With the help of another sponge that you can lay your hands on, you don't need to use the damp blender because that will just set the powder at only one place, and you don't want that. After you set your powder, don't worry because it looks a bit whitish in finish, but it will get back to your normal skin color, and it is known as camouflage Art Deco fixing powder. So it has to blend well with your skin tone. It takes good 4-5 minutes to set on the skin because your skin needs to also make that layer of the powder, and it will sit well and it will look like magic. You don't have to worry that it looks whitish, but it does blend with your skin tone. All right, the next product that I'm going to be using is the Gosh Matte Blush Up cream blush with a nice pinkish color. This is in the shade 003 Cherry Berry. It goes really well with my skin tone, so I had to purchase this product. As it already has an applicator, it just makes it so easy to apply it on your face. As I have dotted it on my face, with the help of the damp beauty blender again, I'm gonna blend it. This gives a nice blushed effect. You see this? I'm so obsessed with it. Wow, Gosh products are so good. I do use their lip balm and I really love it. Then I'm gonna be using my favorite eyebrow pencil from the Balm, and it's Ferocious. It's in the shade dark brown. I love the pencil that they have provided. It's so thin and it can make like accurate lines on your eyebrows. Actually, I like to use this particular eye pencil just because it's very easy to use. And when I draw my eyebrows, I like to keep it very natural. I don't like thicker, bushy eyebrows. So it helps me to achieve that complete, precise look. And in the back of this pencil is a brush that helps to actually blend out the sharp lines that I made on my eyebrows and just sets my eyebrows so well. It looks natural. It doesn't look like I have overdone my eyebrows. Alright, so the next product is also from NYX. It is the Epic Wear Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil. I just like to sharpen the edges of my eye, and I just love this kind of look. I just give a small wing near the corner of my eye. You see the difference? On the corner, I have made a small wing. This gives like I have a long lash at the end and the corner of my eyes, but here I haven't made that wing. You see the difference? There is a difference. All right, so I'm gonna go and do the wing on the other side. And this is how it looks, just elongated. That's what I want. Alright, for the mascara, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and it's in the shade Very Black. With mascara, without mascara, it makes a huge difference. I like to use the mascara wand on my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. This gives a nice popped out eye effect, and it seems like I'm wide awake. My eyes doesn't seem like I'm sleepy. It's like the look that I really want to achieve every day. Now it's time for my lips. And for the lips, I'm gonna be using Maybelline New York Lifter Gloss. Just the gloss. I like nice highlighted effect. So it's in the shade 008 Stone. I just adore this. I love the wand. It just loads a little bit of product, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lips. This is the complete look, you guys. Look at it. It's just so easy to achieve it, and just look at it. It just feels like natural. I love this look. I love this look. So this is the complete look, guys. I just love it. It's so adorable. It's just cute and to the point, and it looks so easygoing, so natural, and it just is like, wow. So thank you very much for watching, you guys, and also share this video with your friends if you really liked it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.